We can also use the data manager to place annotations in a PID drawing. So let's try assigning some information from the data manager. So let's go ahead and call up the data manager. And I'm going to bring this in, and I'll go ahead and allow it to dock. And I'll anchor it right and make sure that I have my auto hide on. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do from here is I'm going to go into this drawing and I'm going to select one of my heat exchangers. Now, what we do from there is we'll go here to where you see right now this is showing all the items that are in engineering, but I'm going to go just to selected items. Okay. And if I go to the heat exchanger and I'm only showing the selected items, and I make sure that this one is selected, then I can take this description and I can drag that out right there. Okay. Now, if I select my heat exchanger again, and I wanted to add this tag, I can also place the tag. This one has a tag already, but if you wanted to add a tag in there, you could. So it's as simple as making sure that you're showing the selected items and then just doing a drag and drop wherever you want the new information. It's that simple to be able to place annotations in a PID using your data manager.